From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weekend weather.
Hey, good morning, folks. Well, we've made it to the end of the weekend, and I think today looking a little bit unsettled. I think there is some shot at strong to locally severe storms through this afternoon, through this evening in specific. But I think over the next few days, we just kind of get back into this more June-like pattern, more mild for a little bit, and then we get back into this kind of unsettled pattern here, lasting through midweek and beyond. But as for today, we're climbing up through the mid-80s, and then by the time we're heading through the afternoon, more widespread thunderstorm activity. And I think this window here, from about 4 o'clock, about 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight, some shot at severe weather. Let me show you the futurecast, see what we have in store on a city-by-city basis. A little bit unsettled there to start the day, a few showers possible. Don't think it's going to be too big of a deal here. I think that persists through the day as we head through the afternoon. Wind staying out of the south, so a few of these pop-up storms remain possible through the late morning and early afternoon. That's not the main issue. Main issue is this. Notice here, line of storms developing off to our northwest. That's drooping south with time there, so that's the main chance of severe weather. Main threat with this line is damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour and some large hail in some of those larger spots across the area. This is the swath of the possible severe area that we're looking at as we head through the rest of the day today and into this evening, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Now, can I rule out maybe 1 or 2 really quick spinning tornadoes in that line? No, but I don't think that's the issue. That's what I've been saying over the past couple days. The main threat with this here, as we head over the next 12 hours or so into this evening, is the damaging wind threat there as that drags south with time. That is winds in excess of 60 miles an hour there, and some large hail is possible if those updrafts really can get robust. There's some instability out there, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Me and Fred will be with you through today just in case any warnings are issued, as well as the rest of the team. This is not going to be some huge tornado outbreak, but it's still worth watching because severe weather is always worth taking seriously. So we'll keep an eye on that. We stick this unsettled pattern for the next several days, show you what I'm talking about into the midweek. You see here, we just kind of get these systems kind of coming and going, lasting through the midweek here. No particular day is a total washout, but I think more of us will see rain than those of us who will stay dry, to be quite honest with you. By the time all is said and done, we're all probably going to have seen at least an inch or two of rain across the Tennessee Valley for this week. And then by the end of the week, I think we might be letting those rain chances go just a little bit. They do stay scattered, though, as we head into the end of the week and into next weekend. Temperatures a little bit more mild as we head over the next couple days. That's what I was talking about. We do cool off about 5 degrees here. Temperatures in the upper 70s, near 80 for the first half of the work week. But we do start climbing back up into more June-like conditions as we head through the 80s once again by midweek and beyond. So big picture, let me show you what I'm talking about here with that unsettled weather. Pretty much all day, every day, it's going to have some chance of precipitation, even some showers in the evening and afternoon and overnight hours, some peak heating convection that gets those big storms popping up through the daytime. I think all of us are probably going to see some rain by the time all is said and done here, particularly for the first and middle half of the work week. And again, only starting to taper off just a little bit by the end of the week, but even still, there are those chances. Of course, through today and into this evening, we'll keep an eye for the chance of some strong to locally severe storms, and we'll keep you updated if any warnings are issued. Thanks for watching this forecast update, and God bless.